In supporting Ask About Clots, it's changed my view tremendously because it came as a surprise to me. In that DVT, deep vein thrombosis, meant long-haul flights to me. I didn't realize, of course, that if you're immobile in a bed in hospital, you stand a 1,000 times greater chance of having a complication from a clot there than you would in an aeroplane. The Ask About Clots campaign is important because it raises awareness. Just to ask whether you're in that risk or greater risk category. People who are slightly overweight, I got a tick there. People who are mature in years, I got a tick there. Some of the other sections I bypass, like those with pregnancy, also those going in for hospital treatment, likely to need an operation and so on, and also those on medication. If you are going into a hospital, I would encourage friends and family now to ask about clots. The good news is that the clots are preventable and it can be treated, and especially if you ask early enough, then people can respond to that.